we have a linear non-homogeneous differential equation y triple prime minus y double prime minus y prime plus y equal to f of x. Here, we're going to find the particular integral using the variation of parameters. The characteristic equation of this equation is m cubed minus m squared minus m plus 1 equal to f of x. First, we need to make it into a homogeneous equation which is equal to 0. From its roots, m sub 1 equal to negative 1 and m sub 2 equal to m sub 3 which is equal to 1, we obtain the complementary function which is equal to c sub 1 e to the negative x plus c sub 2 e to the x plus c sub 3 x e to the x. From our complementary function, we change our parameters c sub 1, c sub 2, and c sub 3. By functions of x, we say u sub 1, u sub 2, and u sub 3. Then we require y is equal to u sub 1 times y sub 1 plus u sub 2 times y sub 2 plus u sub 3 times y sub 3. Using this three linearly independent solution, y sub 1 equal to e to the negative x, y sub 2 equal to e to x, and y sub 3 which is equal to x e to the x, we set y equal to u sub 1 e to the negative x plus u sub 2 e to x plus u sub 3 x e to x. Using this formula or using Wronskian, we obtain the u sub 1 prime and u sub 2 prime. First, we find w by using the three linearly independent solution, and we differentiate it once and twice. Using our knowledge on 3 by 3 matrix, we obtain this, and simplifying it, we obtain w which is equal to 4e to x. Now we find w sub 1. We change the values of y sub 1 which is 0, 0, and f of x. And again by 3 by 3 matrix, we get this, and if we simplify, we obtain the w sub 1 which is equal to f of x e to 2x. Substituting w sub 1 and w, we'll have u sub 1 prime equal to f of x e to 2x over 4 e to x, or equal to f of x e to x over 4. Integrating both sides, we obtain u sub 1 which is equal to 1/4 times integral of f of x e to x dx. And now we find w sub 2. We change the values of y sub 2 to 0, 0, and f of x. And then simplifying this one, we'll get w sub 2 which is equal to negative f of x times 1 plus 2x. Substituting the values of w sub 2 and w, we get u sub 2 prime equal to negative f of x times 1 plus 2x over 4e to x. Integrating both sides, we obtain u sub 2, which is equal to negative 1 over 4 times the integral of f of x times 1 plus 2x over e to x dx. And finally, we find the w sub 3. Replacing again the value of y sub 3 by 0, 0, and f of x. And by 3 by 3 matrix, and simplifying it, we obtain the 3 or the w sub 3, which is equal to 2 f of x. Substituting w sub 3 and w, we get u sub 3 prime equal to 2 f of x over 4 e to x. Then integrating both sides, we obtain u sub 3 equal to 1/2 times the integral of f of x over e to x dx. From what we set, substituting all the values we got, we obtain the particular integral, which is equal to e to the negative x over 4 times the integral of f of x e to x dx minus e to x over 4 times the integral of f of x times 1 plus 2x over e to x dx plus x e to x over 2 times the integral of f of x over e to x dx.